Hello everyone, welcome to Explore Hall. For this example, we're told to differentiate the following function, which is the function f of x is equal to 3 times the fourth root of x cubed minus 2 times the square root of x plus 1 over the square root of x cubed. First, let's rewrite this function using exponents. So f of x is equal to 3 times x to the power of 3 over 4 minus 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 plus x to the power of negative 3 over 2. Now, let's differentiate this function using the power rule. So the derivative of f of x is going to be equal to 3 times 3 over 4 times x to the 3 over 4 minus 1 minus 2 times 1 over 2 times x to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 plus negative 3 over 2 times x to the power of negative 3 over 2 minus 1. And this is equal to 9 over 4 times x to the power of negative 1 over 4 minus x to the power of negative 1 over 2 minus 3 over 2 times x to the power of negative 5 over 2. And if we want to express this function in terms of positive exponents in roots, then this is equal to 9 over 4 times the fourth root of x minus 1 over the square root of x minus 3 over 2 times the square root of x to the power of 5. And this gives us the derivative of f of x. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.